Hello, my name is Keith Turvey, and I'm the Executive Director of the Tri-County Alcohol, Drug, and Mental Health Services Board serving Mercer, Paulding, and Van Wert counties. I appreciate this opportunity to provide you with an overview of our local system of care, which has been serving citizens for over 30 years. Local Animus boards operate in accordance with Chapter 340 of the Ohio Revised Code. This law provides the county commissioners with the authority to determine the county's alignment in a board service district and the power to appoint 2/3 of the board members. The Ohio Department of Alcohol and Drug Addiction Services and the Ohio Department of Mental Health appoint 1/3 of the board members. Your local Animus board has the statutory responsibility to plan, create, monitor, and maintain a local continuum of treatment and prevention services that address the diseases of addiction and mental illness. Ohio's Mental Health Act of 1988 calls for a special focus on citizens with severe mental illness. This board does not provide services directly, but contracts for services delivery through primary local providers located in each county and specialty providers located across the state. Due to the lack of commercial health care insurance coverage for these illnesses, this system must rely almost solely on public funding for support. The board receives federal and state funding as well as proceeds from a local levy for use in contracting for the local continuum of care. Simply put, the board may be thought of as administering a hospital without walls or as a general contractor. We are the architect of the system. Let's take a tour of the local contract providers which provide the majority of direct care in Mercer, Van Wert, and Paulding counties.
The Gateway Outreach Center located at 800 Pro Drive in Salina provides alcohol and other drug treatment and prevention services. It should be noted that all contracted providers must meet rigorous state accreditation standards that ensure quality care. Gateway provides a full range of outpatient treatment services and is the leader in community prevention efforts. Mercer Residential Services oversees several semi-efficiency apartment complexes for use by consumers within the board area. These apartments were constructed using state capital funds provided by the Ohio Department of Mental Health. Approximately 24 citizens reside in these apartments. Foundation's Behavioral Health Services, located just west of Salina on State Route 29, is the primary local provider for mental health services in Mercer County. The agency has access to a full continuum of care serving all ages. Of special note, it is the provision of a summer program directed to at-risk adolescents for the entire three-county service district. This campus-like setting on McDonald Pike and Paulding is the location at which both addiction and mental health services are delivered. The Turning Point is the local provider for alcohol and other drug treatment and prevention services, as is the case with all of the local addiction providers. This agency offers specialized programming for women which strengthens client outcome success and offers support to residents of the Fritz Home. The Counseling Center is a local provider for mental health services in Paulding County. In addition to a full range of outpatient services, the Counseling Center serves as a gatekeeper for admission and ongoing behavioral health care treatment directed to community reintegration for residents of the Fritz Home. The Fritz Home is a 28-bed residential support facility serving adults from the Tri-County area. This provider is a result of public and private sector collaboration and is owned and operated by Buckeye Homes. Westwood Behavioral Health Center in Van Wert, located at 1158 Westwood Drive, is unique in the fact that it provides both alcohol and other drug as well as community mental health services. This agency, as do all other local agencies, offers both evening and weekend appointment times. Westwood serves as the entire three-county area in the role of emergency service provider. Clinicians, in addition to local case managers and a psychiatrist, are available on a 24-hour, 7-days-a-week basis to facilitate crisis events with access to inpatient services. The Challenge Hire Clubhouse is a gathering place for consumers and is used for peer support activities as well as social and recreational gatherings. In addition, the facility is used by our local family support and advocacy group and also hosts Alcoholic Anonymous meetings. The project was funded by a capital grant from the Ohio Department of Mental Health. The Student Learning Center in Van Wert combines an educational classroom environment combined with therapeutic support. Youth who are experiencing severe emotional duress are supported in this environment prior to a return to a normal educational setting. The program is a cooperative venture between public schools and the local mental health system.
I hope the video has provided you with a better understanding of the local continuum of care. What you haven't seen are our specialty contract providers who are located across the state and allow our system to truly meet the needs of our citizens on a broader basis. Such providers include St. Rita's Medical Center, the Medical College of Ohio, North Coast Behavioral Health Care, and Devlac Hall, entities that provide inpatient or residential services. In closing, I would like to emphasize two elements that are most important and impossible to visually portray. The first is the amount of support and cooperation this system has garnered from local community partners, including law enforcement, the judicial system, local hospitals, and other local human service providers. And secondly, the work of volunteer board members who direct the system of care at both the local provider level and the Animas board level. If you are interested in learning more or would be willing to give 4 hours a month to serve as a board member for either a provider or the Animas board, please contact us. Thanks for watching.